stadion i Rostenburg den 12. juni. Og så gruppe D.
Group D now. Germany.
Tyskland kommer i gruppe D.
Who hosts the last World Cup in 2006
første kamp i Durban
in Group D.
den 13. juni.
1. Next, 4 balls, 4 country. Brazil, Spain, Netherlands, Italy, and it's Netherlands.
Holland,
Group E.
næste.
Netherlands who won all their qualifying matches
i gruppe
during
E.
this campaign for the 2010 FIFA World Cup. Next one, now for the Group F.
Gruppe E, som ligger ud i Johannesburg den 14. juni. Gruppe F.
Their first game will be here in Cape Town. It's Italy.
Cape Town, og det er Italien, de regerende verdensmestre, som bliver
will play their first game on the
udtrukket
14th
her.
of June at Greenpoint Stadium. Next for Group G, Brazil or Spain.
Gruppe G.
And it's Brazil.
Brasilien.
Brazil, who played all the FIFA World Cup, 5-time winners, is playing Group G. First game on the 15th of June at Ellis Park in Johannesburg.
Og endelig skulle det gerne være Spanien, som ryger i
Spain,
gruppe H.
for sure. And it's Spain. Spain, who had a great qualifying campaign with winning their all 10 matches. Group H1. So, I explain now, we move to pot 2.
Og så løser fordelingen her altså. Nu skal vi